difficulties in the phacosurgery. After listening the fantastic concepts of the phacofluidics, what the sir has mentioned. Now difficulty may be 2-3 reasons. One is the lack of concept, second is the fear, third is the surgical inconfidence, and then the anatomy of the lens. So we will try to cover just nucleus management. I will stop after that. First entry. Now here the surgeon is doing the trench. When he is trying to touch the tissue first time, he is scared to go deep. So it is just the superficial movements in the air, not embedding. Once he start embedding, now here you can see at a downside there is a not more energy, but he is trying to sculpt the nucleus, but that will give the pressure. And now you see the how to overcome that. Just use the nice energy, and then the trench will go deep. There will be no pressure on the nucleus and no zonule. Once you are expert in the trench, and now you see this is the anatomical difference, that this is the little bit hard cataract, and when you do the fantastic trench also, there is a pressure on the zonules during the trench. Now there are many ways. That is the first is widening. Now this is the second, when we are trying to use the technology here. Here the part of the technology, after 2-3 strokes, here the use of the traditional as well as the longitudinal technology to widen the groove in a 1-2 strokes, and so that you can go deep and deep. Now for the hold and lift. A surgeon, we are going straight and we are trying to lift it straight. Again the going in the bulb, trying to lift it out in the same direction. That is the, I think, lacunis. And another thing, when you try to chop, your hold should be perfect. Now see, you can see what sir has told, all the parameters are working together. And on one day that example has came in my mind. Now why this hold and lift is not possible? Now you can see this example when we are lifting this masculine, and see the change the direction, it will come out. So this is the concept when you want to lift it. You can see here very slow movement, change the plane of the direction with your wrist joint or with the fingers, and then you can chop. So once the hold is, flow rate is helping you, then vacuum is building, and then you can start removing. Now here the nucleus, when you are removing the pieces, all the parameters are working together, flow rate and all that. This is one of the example. Once you know everything and all that, still you can see here the very simple situation. The pieces are coming towards you, but sometimes it has been stuck because of the chopper is on the left side and flow rate has diverted. So although you have kept a nice flow rate, it has diverted. Now I remove the chopper, pieces has come in the center, and I can remove. So sometimes many instruments can decrease, or these parameters are not working properly, and chopper is out, and how the pieces are coming up. Sometimes this is another concept. When you are removing the pieces, your placement of the phaco tip. If your placement of the phaco tip is beyond the 180 degree, then you have to release it with the chopper. Still my phaco tip is not in the center, so it should be in the center or towards the incision side. Then your phacofluidics or your flow of irrigation will help to your flow rate. Now the phaco tip is at a perfect site, at a center or just towards the incision, and see the because of the continuous irrigation, how the phacofluidic same parameter, it works beautifully because of the placement of the phaco tip. Here there is another situation that after it is been not, piece has not been engaged, so flow rate is working. If it is vacuum is not built because it has not occluded, and here we are using energy. Now energy with flow rate, this combination is dangerous, which is causing damage to cornea. And now here flow rate, vacuum and energy working together. This is a case of a soft cataract. For the division, this is a modified, you can see the two instrument can pass through that, so the pre-chopper is must. Now we are having the Ozil technology with us, we are having the pre-chopper with us. Still there is a difficulty because of the anatomy, and that is also a considerable factor in soft cataract. Now we know the concept, we have a fantastic technology, but see, this is the soft cataract, mass is not there. I am trying to remove it out very slowly. I try to find out the mass. Still the difficulty starts. So in a very soft cataract, all the time we are in dilemma. We have decreased the flow rate, vacuum and all that. Again finding out where is the bulk and to go there. If that piece is not coming, we're shifting to the other side of the piece and try to lift it out. Same thing, again a same thing. We are trying to focus the core of the nucleus if some mass is there. Then this is the very simple trick. Methyl cellulose going behind it and lifting the half piece of the nucleus. It is not very hard, so not damaging the cornea, and you can lift it out. Now see the other side piece. Why the same piece is coming up now? Because the space has formed. So this lifting is relatively comfortable because there was a space. A same situation now, this is the hard cataract. Trying to do the trench with the traditional as well as the Ozil technology together, going deep and deep. This is a very common difficulty in a hard cataract. That is the reason we still have some fear to break this. There are many ways to break this, and this is the pre-chop which I am using to break the nucleus. Still it is not. Then I noticed that maybe the trench is not deep enough because we are scared to go deep and deep, although it is very hard. We are trying to do with the two instruments. Try to go in the deep in the center, in the bulk. Then again I have shifted to so this is the difficulty and how to overcome it. Again do some sorts of trench. You can find out some mass up to that level. Still now there is a difficulty because the posterior plate is very hard and sticky. And then your direction of the division is very important. Any direction you should go directed little bit in a different way, your two instrument. Here I am trying with the visco and the chopper. Still it is not. Then I shifted because it was difficult for me to divide the center. Then I shifted to the one edge and I found some crack there, and I started from there, and then I completed the division. I will stop here, sir. Yeah, so this is the nucleus management, some difficulty with the IA and IOL also. Thank you very much for your kind patience. Thank you.